The LongPlus 4K PoE Security System delivers very sharp, ultra-high-definition footage with a wide viewing angle, so one camera can cover more of your driveway, yard, or storefront with clear detail day or night. Its 16-channel recorder and included high-capacity hard drive support, continuous 24-hour recording from multiple 12-megapixel cameras, making it well-suited for whole home or small business coverage. Advanced artificial intelligence detection can distinguish between people, vehicles, and pets, and lets you define custom zones, which cuts down on nuisance alerts while still flagging important activity. The cameras offer flexible night vision modes, including vivid color imaging in low light, so faces, license plates, and other critical details remain recognizable after dark. Built-in microphones, speakers, and warning lights allow two-way talk and active deterrence, giving you the option to challenge visitors or scare off intruders directly from the app. A weather-resistant metal build, simple power over Ethernet cabling, generous remote multi-user access, and long-term warranty support make this kit a robust, future-friendly choice for always-on security.